In this video, we review Alpaca versus Interactive Brokers. Have you used Alpaca or Interactive Brokers before? What was your experience? Leave your Alpaca or Interactive Brokers review in the comments section below. Alpaca and Interactive Brokers are prominent brokerage platforms catering to diverse investor needs. Alpaca, established in 2015, is a commission-free trading platform primarily targeting algorithmic traders and developers. It offers an API-driven approach, enabling users to build and deploy trading strategies seamlessly. Interactive Brokers, founded in 1978, is a well-established brokerage firm providing a comprehensive range of investment services, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex trading. It caters to both individual and institutional investors, offering advanced trading tools and global market access. Alpaca's commission-free model is a significant advantage for cost-conscious traders. Its API-centric design appeals to algorithmic traders and developers seeking to implement automated trading strategies. The platform's simplicity and ease of use make it accessible to beginners. However, Alpaca's limited educational resources may pose challenges for novice investors. The platform's focus on U.S. markets may not suit international investors seeking global market access. Additionally, Alpaca's customer support has been criticized for responsiveness, potentially leading to delays in issue resolution. Interactive Brokers offers a vast array of investment products, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex, providing investors with diverse trading opportunities. Its advanced trading tools and research resources are beneficial for experienced traders seeking in-depth analysis. The platform's global market access allows investors to trade on multiple exchanges worldwide. However, Interactive Brokers' fee structure can be complex, with various commissions and account maintenance fees that may be higher than those of some competitors. The platform's interface may be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features and functionalities. Additionally, some users have reported that the account opening process can be lengthy and cumbersome. In summary, Alpaca and Interactive Brokers each offer distinct advantages and disadvantages. Alpaca's commission-free trading and API-driven approach cater to algorithmic traders and developers, while Interactive Brokers' extensive product offerings and advanced tools appeal to experienced investors seeking global market access. Prospective users should carefully consider their individual trading needs, experience levels, and investment goals when choosing between these platforms.